Hey guys, how you doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about stolen pins. What it is that you can do when someone steals your pins on Pinterest. Now, first off, you need to find the pins that were stolen. And how do you do that? You need to go back to your analytics. So let's say, for example, I have this pin. It's about how to make money on Pinterest for beginners. Now, I ranked this pin on Pinterest for two different keywords: how to make money on Pinterest in 2019 and how to make money on Pinterest for beginners. Now, this particular post was ranking at the top in my analytics, and it was driving me a lot of traffic. If we go back to Pinterest, you're going to see here on my dashboard that this was my top performing pins. Now, if you see here, you're going to see that I have a minus 5% of saves and minus 3% of link clicks. And that is because this pin had been stolen. Now, once you see that your stats have begun to drop, it could be that you had a viral pin, but then it, declined, or, it wasn't performing as well as it used to. But it could also be because your pins are being stolen. So what can you do about this? How can you find it? All you got to do is just go ahead and search for the keywords that you were ranking for. So then I went ahead and searched on Pinterest how to make money on Pinterest in 2019. And there it is. As you can see, someone stole my pin. And that is why my traffic dropped for this particular keyword. So as you can see here, someone else stole the pin and added their link to the pin. But then if I went back and searched for how to make money on Pinterest for beginners, my pin is still ranking the first pin and my link is still on there. So you have the option to go ahead and click these three little dots and report the pin. But once you do that, guys, Pinterest is going to remove the pin from Pinterest altogether. Now, what happens when your pins are already ranking on Pinterest? And when this pin has been on Pinterest for a while, this person ranked right away because this pin was already ranking. Now, in the eyes of Pinterest, this pin still belongs to me because, they have this image sort of AI, and they know that this pin is for Start a Mommy Blog, so it's gonna automatically rank where it was ranking if someone else go ahead and steals it. So all you gotta do, guys, is just go ahead and download your pin. You do not want to report it, because if you report it, it's going to be removed from Pinterest, and other related pins to this particular one is also going to get deleted from Pinterest, and you're going to lose a lot of traffic. So all you got to do, guys, is just go ahead and download the pin, because this is yours. You want to save the image as, just go ahead and save it. Now, when you're saving it, you have this code from Pinterest. Now, this code is going to have this pin ranking right back where it was initially when you go back and upload it to Pinterest. So this person is ranking for how to make money on Pinterest in 2019. I'm going to go ahead and go back and create a pin, and I'm going to re-upload my pin. Just leave it just as it was when you downloaded it with these same keywords. And this is EB45, okay? And I am going to go ahead and upload that, and I'm going to call it How to Make Money on Pinterest in 2019. So what this does, guys, is going to make that person pin to drop down in the search, and your pin is going to rank for these particular keywords. So this is what you need to do when you find your pins. When someone steals your pins on Pinterest, just go right back in there and get your pins downloaded and re-uploaded using the exact same keywords that they were trying to rank for. and then you're going to go ahead and rank for that particular keyword, and their pin is going to drop down in the search. So don't bother sending Pinterest messages. Don't bother reporting the pin or contacting the person. Once you find your pin, it is yours. Download it, re-upload it to Pinterest, save it to the right boards, and you're going to see that it's going to rank and your traffic is going to come back. So I hope this video helped you guys. I've been doing this for a while and it works really well. So you can go ahead and try it and stop worrying about your pins being stolen on Pinterest. And thank you guys so much for watching.